Careful, my friend, I nearly had you there. KE14EUL. Can't help thinking that was an intentional close pass, because that was really freaking close. Onto the red light. KE14EUL. I can't help thinking that's a fake plate. It's got no rear view mirrors, smashed up. Waiting for me now. Interesting. Stay away from me.
Get out the area, bro.
You get out.
Get out the area.
Go away.
Get out the area.
Go away. You went through a red light there. I'm going to report it. Is that even a real plate? I doubt it.
Nah, it's not.
So you're a crim.
Put it on your YouTube.
Come on, small little fat boy. Go away.
Put it on your YouTube.
I'm gonna.
Huh?
I'm gonna.
Put it on YouTube.
Go away.
Yeah. Put it on YouTube.
Go away. You shut up and you go away.
You go away. Why didn't you get a real job?
Like you've got a job.
Yeah, I do. I get more money.
Short little fat boy with no good English.
Huh?
Short little fat boy with no good English. I'm old, you're young, you got no excuse. Get out the area. You get out the area, mate. Anyway, this wasn't a good place to be overtaking anyway.